Join the fun, it's animal rhyme.
Billy the tiger wakes up with a yawn. The sun is shining on the bright new dawn. She stretches her paws and blinks her eyes, ready to start the day with a big surprise. Time to brush, says Tilly with cheer. Her toothbrush ready, her smile so clear. Up and down, round and round, brushing each tooth without a sound. Tilly hums a happy little tune, brushing fast in the morning room. Her stripes shine bright, her teeth gleam white, sparkling and clean from morning to night. She shows her friends, come brush with me. The monkeys swing and the birds sing with glee. Elephants scrub their big tusks, and bunnies brush with gentle little fuss. Tilly teaches brush every day, morning and night, don't forget, hooray. Floss goes swoosh and rinse goes swish, Tilly makes brushing a happy wish. At bedtime, Tilly brushes once more, counting each tooth from front to floor. Snuggled in bed, she smiles wide, with sparkling teeth she cannot hide. Tilly dreams of brushing fun, morning, evening, and afternoon sun. Every tiger, every friend, can brush their teeth until the day's end.
Subscribe! Please like and subscribe!